This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop and engage it with the locating hole in the inner wing. Gently pull the plastic hose from the air intake and air cleaner housing. Slacken the clamp, securing the air cleaner lid to the throttle body. Depress the locking collar and disconnect the breather hose from the air cleaner lid. Rotate the fastener 90 degrees anti-clockwise and lift the air filter housing from place, disconnecting from the throttle body as it's withdrawn. Undo the retaining screws and detach the lid from the air filter housing. Lift the filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. Locate the new filter element in the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the lid to the air cleaner and securely tighten the retaining screws. Maneuver the air cleaner into place, reconnecting the lid to the throttle body. Rotate the fastener 90 degrees clockwise to secure the air cleaner to the support bracket. Press the breather hose onto the air cleaner lid port, ensuring the retaining clip engages correctly. Tighten the air cleaner lid to throttle body clamp securely. Refit the plastic hose from the air intake to the cleaner housing. Support the bonnet, then stow the safety prop and firmly close the bonnet. Check the bonnet is securely locked.